Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Chantal and today we're going to be creating this gorgeous smoky eye look using the Violet Voss Like a Boss Pro eyeshadow palette. I love this look because it's really dark and sultry and sexy and it's perfect for a night out. So if you're looking for something to wear to the club or even just to go out to dinner with your girlfriends, this is an amazing look and will go great with any outfit. So keep watching so you guys can see how to create this look. Alright, let's get started. So far I have already primed and prepped my face and did my foundation and my eyebrows. To prime my face, I use the Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. And I prime my under eye with the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And this is really awesome and it helps with creases underneath your eyes and your concealer. And for my foundation, I used two foundations today. I mixed these two together. This is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation and this is the shade N20. And then this is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. And this shade's just a little bit too dark for me, and this shade's a little bit too light for me. So mix these together, I got the perfect shade to match my skin tone. And if you watched any of my other videos, you already know I use the NYX Eyebrow Powder in the shade Brunette for my eyebrows. And then I like to outline my eyebrows using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair. And I just use an angled eyebrow brush to do that. And I just outline the whole eyebrow. So for today's look, we're gonna be creating a gorgeous bronze golden smoky eye with this palette here called Violet Voss Like a Boss. This palette is amazing. It's so pigmented and it has a lot of really shiny and glittery colors, but also some really nice matte colors as well. So before we go on to the lid with any shadow, I'm going to prime my lids with the Kat Von D Lock-It eyeshadow primer, and this is in the shade Light, or where is it? This is in the shade Fair. And I do one eye at a time just because I feel like this stuff kind of dries quickly. It gets pretty tacky, which is awesome for a shadow primer, but do one eye at a time. For my transition color, I'm going to use this color Hustle right here, which is a kind of like a peachy color. And I am using the Kylie Royal Peach brush. It came with the Royal Peach palette. I love this brush. It's just great for blending and transition colors and crease colors, and it's good for the lid. It's really good for everything. And then for my crease, I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Women Crush Wednesday, WCW, and I'm going to use my crease brush from Castrel. And I'm going to blend that right into the crease. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush and this color here called Inspo, and it's kind of like a dark blackish bluish color. So we're going to take that and we're going to blend it into my inner lid and my outer lid and then right into the crease, leaving the middle of my lid blank. So you don't need to blend it in perfectly into the crease, just kind of get it a nice line and smudge that in there. We're going to blend some more colors in so that this all ties really, really nicely together and blends together. So I'm going to take my same smudge brush and I'm going to take this color Strong, which is a kind of like a very deep maroon color. And we're going to kind of go in the same areas. We're just not going to go into the crease as much. And we're not going to go as far in. I'm going to blend this right here. We still want a small little gap to be open on the lid, but we're going to blend this up. So now I'm going to take the line side of my Heavenly Line and Buff brush from Bare Minerals, and I'm going to take this color here called Amaze Balls, and I'm going to press that onto the center part of my lid. And we're going to pull that up into the crease and out to the outer lid and the inner lid. And I'm going to take a little bit of this really yellow gold color called Girl Crush, and I'm going to mix that in with the Amaze Balls just to give it more of a gold look. Love it. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take the color Strong, and I'm going to blend that into the gold on the outer lid again, same spot as I put it before. Now I'm going to take my blending shadow brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of this color Strong and a little bit of this color Work, and I'm going to blend that into the crease. Then to sharpen this look up, I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. And use my beauty blender to blend that all in. And then to set that, I'm going to use my light contour in my Naked Skin Shapeshifter Contour Palette. And for my powder foundation, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, and this is in the shade Fair. And I'm going to be using my powder brush from Castrel. I blend that all over the face. Now we're going down on the lower lash line, and I'm going to take that maroonish color Strong, and I'm going to blend that into the outer lower lash line and the inner. I'm going to take the sparkly goldish color, Amaze Balls. I'm going to go right in the middle. So for my contour today, I'm going to be using my Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the Too Faced Sweet Dreams palette. And I'm also going to be using the Cocoa Rose for my blush. For my contour brush, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour. And this is my brush from Sonia Kujak, and I'm going to use the Cocoa Rose blush in my Too Faced Sweet Dreams palette. It's a light contour, and I'm going to kind of just make a more defined line. Put it on my forehead as well. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Glow Up Gold Highlighter from my Skinny Dip Duo from Kylie Cosmetics. And to highlight my nose, I'm going to use my blending shadow brush. I just love this brush because it has really good application, and I can just go right down the middle. And then highlight the lip as well. And then the eyebrow bone. Right in the corner of the eye. And for my mascara, I'm going to use the Mega Plush Volume Express by Maybelline. I am going to put falsies on as well, so I'm just going to do the top really quick, put my falsies on, and then do the bottom. And for my lashes today, I'm going to be using the Velour Barely There. But before we do the falsies, I just want to do a small line of eyeliner on the top. Probably should have done this before I put mascara on, but whatever. We're rolling with it. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together, and this is Naked and Bare. I'm gonna put the Bare on the outside of my lips. Alrighty, you guys, so here is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the smoky eye look that I created with the Violet Voss Like a Boss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. If you did, don't forget to push like and hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love. You know you want to. I really love this look. It's perfect for any night out and will go great with like any outfit, honestly. Especially my wardrobe. I literally wear all black or red. So, love this look. I will include all of the product links in the description below, so if you like these products, go ahead and check them out. I try to find the cheapest Amazon links possible, so click those down below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.